So today, Nigeria is playing Rwanda at the Uyo International Stadium in Akwa Ibom State. And this is actually the arrival of all Nigerian top stars, for the team, the Super Eagles team. And yes, the game is going to be a wonderful one. And I would love you guys to predict how this game is going to be in the comment section. Do you really think Nigeria is going to win this match, or you feel Rwanda will just come and trash us and go? But for me, I don't think Rwanda will come and trash us in our own home and go like that. Our boys are trying, and this time around, to see the likes of Osimhen, Kelechi Ihennacho, a lot of good guys are present today. So we believe that it's going to be a very tough game that they will have to, dig it very well before they really win the match. But yes, I'm really voting for Nigeria that will win this game today in Uyo and get qualified for our next game. Thank you for. Please don't forget to drop a comment below, guys.
Want to interview? Me, want to interview. How far? How far? I don't know.
Oh, you get private away.
It's not they fund me now. Now I want to make you they fund me.
We got sign contract.
Yes, Excellency. Good to see you, brother. I did.
Okay.
My bros, are you okay?
I did. How far?
Peter, don't hear me now.
Thanks for your address.
No, how about skip? I did, my brother. How far now? I think that happened. But now you run now. Let me say, Osho. How far? Yeah, okay, man. Yeah, good to see you, man. Good to see you. Welcome on board, man. Nice one. How you doing? My brother, how you doing? You okay? Good to see you. Good to see you. What's in the happen now? How you doing? What's going on? You okay? Good to see you, man.
How are you?
I'm alright. Chilling, yeah.
Yeah, boy.
How far now? I didn't. The fashion dripper. Today,
yeah.
Let's see if they come national. We are together. Very soon now, that's why good people are going to fund me.
No, you want PJ.
Kele ripole. Na kele iriga. Anale kwa. How far now? How you doing? Good to see you. I did fine. Thank God. Well done. No, it's okay. How far, bro? What did happen? My dog, my brother. How far now? Now you run am. Senior man. Anale. Ele came again. You go okay? Excellent, my brother. How far? Good to see you, my brother. How you doing now? Thank you. Good assist, though. Brilliant, sharp, bro. Now you run am. Well done, bro. My leader. Now you run am. How far now? How do you also? We are together, senior.
Hey, I don't do you now. See Boniface. Boniface. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on. When they do interview.
ìjà bọ́lá nìyẹn.